name is Alper Nishar, and I'm the Applications Engineer here at Swift Sensors. Today, I'll be showing you how to set up your thresholds. Once you have logged into your account, you can see if your account needs thresholds if the measurements you are getting from your sensors are in blue. Now let's make some thresholds. Please click on this plus icon right here. Here you'll be able to name your threshold. Here is where you'll be able to select the property, and here is where you'll be able to select the units. On the right side of your screen is where you'll be able to select the boundaries for this threshold. Once you are done putting your boundaries, click this blue checkmark icon. So you have successfully created a threshold, but now you have to apply this threshold to its respective sensors. And you can do that by coming to Measurements and clicking this Edit icon. And then clicking on the sensors that you want this threshold applied to. Let's make another threshold, but this time for the freezer. Same property, same units, but different boundaries. I want the high critical to be 20 and the high warning to be 10. Since this is a freezer threshold, I see no use in adding a low warning or low critical. Just like the last threshold, I now have to apply this one to its respective sensor. Let's go back to list view. Now you can see that none of the sensors are in blue, but instead are color coded according to the thresholds that you have applied to them. If your sensor is showing a green temperature or reading, that means that your threshold is in boundaries. If your measurement is in yellow, that means that measurement is in warning, and if your measurement is in red, that measurement is in critical. Thank you so much for watching. For more information, please visit us at www.swiftsensors.com/support or email us at support@swiftsensors.com.